Hey, what's up, PundiX holder? So today I'm gonna show you to what's going on next. Absolutely, PundiX as falls down or falls are going up. Absolutely, this is very important, and a lot of crypto holders told me to what we do. PundiX, please tell me to PundiX going up or falls down. So I told you, and this video, keep watch, don't skip any second of this video, because every second of this video is very important for everyone. But before I start this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe. Just click out the red button and press the bell icon for videos notification. Guys, if you can see here, the chain after in the last 24 hours at 6.9% they go up. So this is current situation is very good, my friend. As you can see here, they go straight and they take a very high jump. But the previous 7 days, the result for PundiX has gone very badly down. So a lot of PundiX holder told me to what we do, we or sell it in the last 7 days. Please don't make video, please don't make video. But no, my brother, no, this is very wrong decision to you. Sell it. Absolutely, buy it again, my friends, buy it again, because PundiX is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. If the previous days they gone down, then this does not mean to you sell it and this is a very bad cryptocurrency. Absolutely, this is very fastest cryptocurrency. Understand, my brother. PundiX make you millionaire, they give you a very good product, and this is not a financial advisor. Okay, I cannot financial advise you to please invest in PundiX. This is your choice. Absolutely, this is your choice. If you want to invest in PundiX research personally, absolutely this is good for you. So my brother, you can see here the price is increasing hour by hour, day by day. So I think in upcoming days, absolutely PundiX going up like a rocket after very bad fails, after very bad dump. Absolutely, any crypto market, I have 3 year experience, and I know this they gone very fastly up after very bad dump. Absolutely, and they take absolutely a very bad dump, and I hope in upcoming days they're going up very fastly. So please invest and hold, buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they make you millionaire just in a 1 week and 2 week. Absolutely, I am right. If you agree with me, then please like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.